everyone, welcome to Little Swirl channel. I am Jess and this is Little Swirl, and today we're gonna talk about how to cheat. In order to become a better artist, you gotta cheat. Wait, and I'm not talking about tracing art or copy other people's art. We're talking about the acceptable way to cheat. Tip number one, don't start with a blank canvas. A blank canvas can look really intimidating. You don't know where to start, you don't know what color to pick, you don't know what detail you should put in. So what I sometimes do is just start in with a picture. Maybe it's something you find Google, a picture that you like, or just start with a color palette. It will help you start in your picture better. For example, this picture right here, I use a picture that is on Google and I just kind of like the color of it. So then I just manipulate it and move it around and then add in my own details onto it, and it's kind of helped me take off from there. And from that picture, I was able to produce this.
Wow!
Cheating number two is blur out the background that you didn't actually paint. And what I mean by that is sometimes you have this beautiful character that you create and you don't want to leave the background blank because it's look kind of boring, but at the same time you don't want to spend too much time on the background. So what I do is use a picture or a painting that I previously made and just kind of put it in the background and blur it out so nobody can ever tell that you did not draw that. Cheating tip number three is copy other paintings' color palettes. Do you ever run into a situation where you have a beautiful sketch, every detail looked right, the character looked right, the scenery looked beautiful, but then you put the color on it and it's just not quite right and it just doesn't look good? So what I want you to do is next time you see a painting that you really like and you love the color of it, put it into your program and extracting the color palettes from them, saving those color palettes and apply it onto your own painting. Cheating number four is apply paper texture to your painting to make it look like you painted it on a piece of paper. So this is for those of you that like your digital painting look like you painted it on paper. What you do is go on Google and look for the texture of paper that you like, and then you apply it onto your painting. Cheating number five is adding real life texture into your painting. And the important thing here though is to use this texture to add on to your painting and not letting it take over your painting. Always adjust it, add in more color, more layer into it, so nobody can ever tell that you are using the texture from a picture. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I have new video every Friday, so see you next time.